Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So in the first step, we need to press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here services.msc and hit enter. So once we are here, we need to find out the Windows audio service. Simply right click on it and select properties. Go to startup type and set automatic. We have to enable this option, so set automatic, then click on apply, then start the service and click on OK. Once done, just close this window. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. You need to just follow my screen and the problem will be solved. Now go to search bar, now type device manager, then click here to open it. Now we need to expand the audio inputs and outputs. First of all, we will upgrade the drivers of microphone, then speakers, then sound, video and controllers. So let's do for the microphone. Go to its properties, driver tab and select update driver. Select the first option. Now close this window. Do the same process for speakers. Right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab, update the drivers and click on the first link. Once done, do the process for this one also. Sound, video controllers. Open its properties, go to driver tab and select update driver. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option. If this not work, just go back and select the second one option. Select the model and click on next. So installing the OS drivers is not recommended, but we can also do this, but mostly select the first option only, this one, and then just go to control panel, open control panel, set view by as large icons and then scroll down. Okay, my bad. Scroll down and click on sound. Once we are here, we need to try to disable and enable this speaker. So simply right click on it, select disable, again enable it. Now select this, click on properties, go to levels tab, uncheck this option and make these up to the 100%. Go to balance and 100% set each and every 100%. Then click on OK. Go to enhancements tab and check this option, that is disable all enhancements. Once done, click on OK, close all windows one by one and simply restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link or comment box to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.